Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome to a very special House of Glam unboxing. So in an earlier video, I went through what inspired this gorgeous interplanetary collection that is truly inspired by our connections. So first of all, as soon as I opened this up, I was like, ooh, purple gradient. I started getting so very excited. So when Madam Glam reached out, it was so hard to select 4 out of these 8 stunning polishes. This is their cream formula and a 1-coat baby, but I like to work in 2 thin coats. So first up, we have Astrological Goddess, which the moment I read this name, it was game over. I had to include this. The names of this collection is absolutely, literally out of this world. Now this dusty rose with hints of purple is everything. And the moment, though this has pink tones, the moment you put it with the others, you can see all of that purple magic. So next up is Mystique. Now this purple is a lilac periwinkle dream. It is so gorgeous, and swatched, you guys are going to see shortly, is a complete game changer. I do not have any colors like these, so I was so excited. This is called Earth Sign, which is another stunning purple. And to me, this was just screaming my beautiful sister Envy. She is our purple priestess, and I just kept thinking of love at first sight. So if you guys tune in after I show the swatches, you will see a mini manicure with the love at first sight from a snowy layover. I couldn't resist after looking at all of these purples. Now last up is Green Energy, and I'm going to also leave a link for my beautiful nail sister Priya K's Nails. She is LK Beauty and Massage on Instagram, and she hosted a gorgeous live with myself and Mama Does Nails, and between all 3 of us we had 8 of these glorious colors, so I will include that live swatching, but we are going to go straight into the swatches that I did on that Instagram live. Here is Miss Autumn sporting the gorgeous purple gradient with the gorgeous colors Mystique, Earth Sign, and Astrological Goddess. And now Miss Sunshine is sporting Green Energy, which is giving me all of the vibes. I'm also freaking out at the gorgeous holographic colors from last year now, from December's collection, paired with this January collection is like a dream come true. So please stay tuned. The next video up will be me creating a set with these gorgeous colors. And as I was getting ready and trying to brainstorm some ideas, I thought, what other better way than to do a mini manicure? So I go through the steps just showing my buffed phalanges, moving on to my favorite Madam Glam base coat. And then I used last year's Love at First Sight to give the most darling manicure, because my right hand, which is going to be featured shortly on this channel, is going to be having the brand new colors, a mix of January and December colors. So for my non-dominant hand, I wanted something simple but elegant, and look no further, Love at First Sight has your back. So this is PSA time. Do not forget, take out that gorgeous glass dropper from Madam Glam, this delectable cuticle oil, and make sure to spend a little time giving some TLC. Our hands have been going through so much between COVID, and especially if you're a nail tech, nail artist, we use all sorts of different chemicals and our hands are in gloves. So make sure you take some time for your phalanges. So that is Raven's PSA. So right now, grab some cuticle oil and adorn those fingertips, those phalanges. Thank you so much for joining in. So the part 1 of this video was more going through the complete introductory, and I'll also leave a link for that video so that we could go through all of the 8 colors and all of that magic. And today's video was going through those gorgeous swatches and preparing for the beautiful set that we have coming up using these brand new colors. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. I hope this video found you so well. And I have to say, I pray your 2023 is off to such a beautiful start. I know mine is, and that has everything to do with you. A huge thank you goes out to Madam Glam for sending out these goodies, and for you for all of your love and support. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah. Oh yeah, and don't forget, remember, pay it forward and never forget to do all things with love. This is a very hard time for a lot of people, so check in with your loved ones. And I can't wait to see you in the next one.